What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, I'll be covering on how to create your accent lighting since I realized I didn't have any videos created for this particular area. It is a frequently asked question for sure. So let's get into this video to help you better understand what each function does. If you're finding this content useful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the future videos. These are the Non Pro lights H705, but these will apply to the pros as well. So I started messing with the speed here to show for an example. If your speed is on when you start the process of accent lighting, they will not stay solid and continue to move, so you will have to bring the speed down as your first step. Now, so I'm showing the background color to be already off, but for the purpose of this instructional video, let's turn that back on. This will be step 2. So with step 2, let's turn that background color off by hitting the slash tile. So with step 3, I'll be changing the tile to cool white and turning all my lights on for this step. Step 4, now that your lights are on, keep in mind the power symbol is the start of your power adapter and your first light in your install. Step 5, it's time to start turning lights off, so you'll need to hit the slash button and hit the tally in the snake line. Each tally is each light. Sometimes you'll get ahead of yourself turning off too many lights, so an easy way to go back is to hit the back arrow instead of changing the color tile back to cool white or warm white. Once you have your accent lights to your liking, let's save it by pressing the green screenshot camera and name your DIY. Before you continue making other DIYs, make sure you are happy with your brightness setting on the accent lights. You will not be able to edit them, only be able to resave over them or create a new one with a different name. If you would like to get a different shade of color, there are color sphere spectrums to choose from as well. Just use the slider bar to achieve your color. For the pros, inside the color tile will be set up a little different with extra slider bar to control the pure warm white and the pure cool white. If you would like to find your saved screenshot list DIYs, simply press here to find them. I will apply my custom warm white accent lighting. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.